I don't have a cameraman, so if you can see the buckets, I don't know if you can, but this is a 10th one. So welcome back to another video, you guys. Crap, I forgot. I'll be right back. I forgot my drumsticks. Well, and that's what I'm doing today. Well, not really drumsticks. I just have okay. So today I got these topper things. So we're gonna be seeing how good I jump. So you can't really see that, but I got buckets right here. So you're just gonna listen to some music. And so all you have to do is like and subscribe. First of all, that's all you have to do. But what's I just gonna say? Like if I do good. If I don't do good, just don't like it. Or just like and subscribe, because we're gonna have a peaceful day of guacamole music. So I will do a part 2 of this, and I will do it to some music. So let's get started on music. So I'm just gonna try to do what I can do. It might sound horrible because I might lose my brain. I might just stupid stuff. Like so go. Okay. The buckets just move like everywhere. They move back just so. That part sounds horrible. I can't talk when I play drums. You can dance at home too. I don't know so much, but yeah, try fail. Okay, so that round failed. So I guess I'm going to round 2. Round 2. And round 2, I cannot drop my drumstick. So let's move these over. Because they totally new. Okay. Ready? Okay. I was doing the practice. That sucked. So over because these things move. Okay, let me do my beginning again. You go right over there. Damn, tipped over. That was one of the best I ever did. I can make some better music like that. Yeah. Awesome! Okay, like and subscribe. Oh, so that is the end of our video. And I started school 3 days ago. So we're not going to be making too much videos anymore because, you know, school. So we'll see you later, guys. And like and subscribe. Oh, wait.